The brand new Ring Outdoor Cam Plus with PoE is designed for pro installers just like you. And guess what? We've got one on the product spotlight table today. Now let's open this thing up together, even though it's already open, and see exactly what comes in the box. What do we got, Joel, in this package? Maybe I should leave this for the end, because that's what everyone cares about. We got the mount. Okay, what else we got here? Available hardware. All right, now what you've all been waiting for, the reveal. There she blows. Got it, Joel? What sets this model apart is that it brings PoE power to Ring's latest outdoor cam design, which is a huge selling point for custom installers. I'm sure most of you know the basics of PoE, or power over Ethernet, but just in case, let me give you a quick rundown. This model pulls power directly through the Ethernet cable from a compatible networking switch or PoE injector. That means nonstop power and a reliable hardwired connection, no outlet needed. Plus, running Ethernet is often quicker and less invasive than having to add new electrical. The Ring Outdoor Cam is great for those spots where Wi-Fi just doesn't quite reach, or where the customer doesn't want the hassle of hiring an electrician. PoE provides nonstop reliable power, and it also keeps the battery backup charged. So even during an outage, recording continues without interruption. And with a Ring Home Premium subscription, your customers get 24/7 recording that is backed up to the cloud, giving them access to the last 14 days of video. The Outdoor Cam Plus now records in 2K resolution, giving your customers a wider field of view and sharper video quality. It even delivers full color detail in low light with low light sight. Just a bit of outdoor lighting is enough for a clear picture, day or night. It also features multiple mounting options included. On the camera itself, it already comes with the flat mount surface. And then here's the actual mount itself, which has the compression fit on it. The wall mount we have here includes a weatherproof junction box, which perfectly fits the new PoE to USB-C power adapter, which we have right here. You can see USB-C and then Ethernet on this side. Remember I said earlier that the switch it's running to must have PoE capabilities, or you can add a PoE injector inline to give it that necessary power. The Ring ecosystem is a solid add-on to any install, but it's also a great way to open the door to other projects. Here's a pro tip straight from Tommy Leonard at Ring. Use Ring to get to and through doors. That's a direct quote. The brand is so recognizable that after finishing one install, you can stop by a neighbor's house, let them know you just wrapped up a Ring system, and hand them your card. That brand power makes it easy to open the door to more business, whether it's networking, security, or full home AV. If you're a homeowner wanting a new Ring system but don't know the first thing about PoE, or you just don't want to climb up a ladder, Davis recommends reaching out to a local installer. They are equipped with the tools and knowledge to get you set up hassle-free. Thanks for tuning in. Please make sure to log in to davisdealers.com or call your Davis salesperson for more info and availability. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a product spotlight, Orange Couch Crush, or the latest podcast episodes. Got questions or thoughts? Drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. See you guys next time.